you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you Bloomchic's fall and Halloween fashion clothing items, if I could speak. The first piece that I have here is this top. This is a lightweight long sleeve top. I love it. It does have gourds on it and a pumpkin. Here is what it says. Gorgeous, I don't know, fall. Here's what it says. So as you know, sizes in Bloomchic ranges from 10 to 30. So there is a broad range of sizes that you can choose from. I love this top. It is a lightweight. It'll be a good layering piece for under a jacket. That would look adorable. The second piece that I have here is this kimono. It does have like suns and stars on it. It is adorable. Look at this. It's good quality too. It's lightweight but not see-through lightweight. So you can wear it like this. You can actually tie it like this. You can bring it up. You can wear it however you like. Here is a close-up. I love this. I will definitely get a lot of wear out of this. Here is the next piece, which I'm absolutely in love with it. This is a cardigan. Cardigans should be a staple in everybody's closet. They are mine at least. I love this. This is so soft, so cozy. I love the sleeves here. It's kind of oversized. Really love it. Now this does not have a pocket, but the cute print of these pumpkins definitely make up for the no pockets. It's very flattering. This piece right here is adorable. I love it. It looks like a layered situation. It looks like you're wearing two items of clothing. I love the colors, and the overall fit of this is just flattering for me. The sleeves are a bit short. I think that's by design. It fits perfectly around here. Let's get a closer look at this. I'm not sure if you call this buffalo print. I'm not sure the print name of this, but I like it. And I love the neckline on this. It does have buttons, so if you want to button it up, you absolutely can. You can also tuck this part into your pants if you would want. This is a lightweight material. It's not heavy at all, but it's not too thin where you can see through it either. Here is a really fun sweater. I love this. I love that it's orange, and this one actually has bats on it. Now, the material on this is a tad bit thicker than the other items that I've shown you, but it's still very lightweight. You can wear it when it's just now getting cold out. I do love the fit on this. I love how it is more, I guess you would say, tapered in down here at the end. Like it gets smaller, so it's just very flattering. Love it. And here is a close-up. It has a nice V-neck. And I love the sleeves on it. Look how adorable. And this, I just love how it cinches in. And here is the bottom that I was telling you about. Love it. Love it. Doesn't this look so good on me? This is a pajama set. I love this. This is purple. I'm getting excited, as you can see. It has skulls on it. It has bats, and it has stars. Oh, this is so comfortable. And these shorts, you guys, has pockets. Has pockets. It is an elastic waistband. Show you guys up close. Love it. This is so stinking soft and so comfortable. I'm going to be wearing this the whole month of October. Not even kidding, you guys. This is adorable. It is lightweight again, but not see-through lightweight. This will be good for those chill evenings, chill bedtimes, or if you sleep during the day. The final two pieces that I have to show you are Halloween costume. And this is number one. It is a dress Look at it. It's just this sleek black dress. Very, very beautiful. Very flattering. But wait a minute. Look at this. It's actually a bat dress. So I don't really have much room to do it justice. But this is a cute bat dress costume. Look how adorable. Oh, love it. Yes. Yes. Oh, you guys. It is lightweight. It's not going to make you overheat or anything of that sort. And you can wear it like this to where you can be bat lady, or you can just push these over if you get too hot and wear it like this. The final costume here is this velvet jumper. Now this has pockets on it. Now I consider this a Halloween costume, but you guys can definitely wear this as just a regular outfit. Love the double sleeves here, and I'll show you an up close in a second. Now this has a hidden gem. This comes with a hood, kind of like a hoodie veil that matches the sleeves. Here is the back. It is a zip up. So let's get closer here and look at it. Here are the sleeves. So this is a double sleeve, like I said. Love the neckline. It's very, very flattering. And it cinches in here at the waist. So this is adorable. Love it. It is thick and it is heavy. So you probably wouldn't want to wear it in the summer months, but this will be perfect in the fall and for Halloween. Okay, you guys, all of these pieces that I showed you were a size 18 to 20. I do like my clothes a little loose fitting, so I always size up about 2-3 sizes actually. So if you would like to get your hands on this fall and Halloween, any of these fall or Halloween pieces, I will leave the links to each item down below. Don't forget to use my discount code. You get 15% off, and that'll also be down below. If you guys like this video, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.